In the shadows of our world, something indestructible exists. It survived the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. It can survive the vacuum of space for over a decade. Scientists call it the tardigrade, but its true name is the water bear, and it holds secrets that could make us immortal. This is not science fiction. This is Earth's armored titan, smaller than a grain of sand, yet tougher than steel. It walks on 8 legs through worlds we cannot see. But when danger approaches, it performs a transformation that defies death itself. It shuts down completely. No heartbeat, no breath, not dead, but not alive. In this state, called cryptobiosis, it becomes virtually indestructible, a biological fortress. But why? Why does this microscopic creature possess powers that seem alien? To understand its armor, we must witness the extreme tests it has survived. Test 1. Absolute zero. -273 degrees Celsius, the temperature where atoms stop moving. The water bear freezes solid, every molecule locked in place. For years, it waits. Then, warmth returns, and impossibly, it awakens, unharmed, unchanged. Test 2. The Inferno. Heated to 150 degrees Celsius, hot enough to boil water in seconds. Its armor holds. The proteins inside refuse to break, a microscopic phoenix. Test 3. The Crushing Depths. 6 times greater than the deepest ocean trench, 75,000 times atmospheric pressure, enough to crumple steel like paper. Yet the water bear's body compresses less than 1%, its structure engineered beyond human comprehension.
Test 4. Radiation. 1,000 times the lethal dose for humans. DNA shredded into fragments, but it carries a repair kit. Genes that rebuild DNA strand by strand, a biological nanomachine. Within hours, its genome is perfect again, as if nothing happened. And the ultimate test, the void, the infinite darkness where nothing should survive. In 2007, scientists launched tardigrades into orbit, exposed to raw space, no protection, cosmic radiation, solar wind, absolute vacuum. For 10 days, they floated in death's embrace. When they returned to Earth, 68% revived. They had breathed vacuum and lived. So what is this armor made of? The answer is in its genes. 16% of its DNA comes from other species, bacteria, plants, fungi, stolen across millions of years. It is a genetic thief, a biological collage, evolution's ultimate experiment. Among these stolen genes, proteins called DSUP, damage suppressor proteins. They wrap around DNA like a shield, absorbing radiation, blocking destruction. In 2016, scientists inserted this gene into human cells. The result? Human cells that could resist radiation, cells that could survive like titans. But there's more. Another protein, tardigrade-specific, codename TDP. When water vanishes, TDP forms glass, a solid shield protecting every cell. Biovitrification. This creature has survived 5 mass extinctions. It watched the dinosaurs rise and fall. It has outlived 99% of all species that ever existed. A true immortal. Scientists now believe if Earth faces nuclear war, asteroid impact, or the sun's death, tardigrades will likely be the last survivors, waiting, enduring, until life begins again. Could their secrets help humans survive space travel, radiation therapy, cryogenic sleep? Researchers are already trying. Creating tardigrade humans might sound like science fiction, but the first steps have already been taken. The armored titan is teaching us to survive. In the microscopic world, there are no walls, no titans made of flesh, But there is one made of indestructible will, the water bear, nature's true armored titan, and it cannot be defeated.